Good morning, retail traders. Well, today's the perfect day again to go back and listen to some of them lessons I've done for the past 5 weeks. We've done the knife catch lesson a few weeks back. I've showed you many ways of catching knives. Pulled you out the charts and the moving averages, the VWAP, the just different scenarios, the sneaky snake, which has been very successful here in the last couple weeks of catching knives. And well, we're set up again for another day of catching knives. Also, this week's been the week for the watch list, how to create a good watch list. And another reason why you got to have that watch list prepared and ready for you. You get days like this, you're already set. All you got to do is just set you up your little platform, have your news, have your alert sitter. Got my news down here all linked together. And I got my watch list that we've been created all week, that we've cleaned up and added on and subtracted and added on, but there's going to be a lot of good deals today. So we're just going to kind of walk through the scenario, what we're looking at. Let's go with the volume highs, being we're pre-market. And first one we'll look at is XBIO. It's pulled back. I've got a scenario, maybe we can catch that knife back here in this chart pattern where we had the breakout to the ascending triangle. We also had a flag here, a pennant flag. So I'm using the middle of that center line, a pivot point, to maybe catch the knife on this. It'd be a good scalp today. Tilray, she's pulled back again. She had a good sell-off yesterday and had a good run the other day. Keeping an eye on it. Penn's had that big knife. I got a 55.44 low support scenario on one trend line. I'll pull it up here, and that's it. I'm ready. Can I get a triple bottom? Hey, bring it to me, mama. So we talked about the triple bottom on the knife catch. We did that with a Tesla the other day. Baba, here's you another knife catch. Back down to support that I called the other day. We bounced back up. Boom. We got LCID, pump and dump. New IPO come out. She's pulled back. People thought this thing could run to 30. This could be an opportunity. We've got, let me put this on the 5-minute. Yeah, we've got a good opportunity right here, maybe to get a rebound up if this thing pulls back to 20. Then we got Baba. Keep an eye on Baba. We got Tesla. Pulled back to the 200. We got AMD. Nice little pullback from this one, maybe to the 200. Take a bounce off it. Taught you about the 200 scenario. There you go. 1, 2, 3. 200 SMA. Talk about it all the time. NVIDIA, knife catch. Prepare ye the name of the Lord. Here we go with the SPY. Looking good. Pulled back to a double bottom. We've got a higher low. She could retrace back up. AMC. Bam, bam. Thank you, ma'am. Brought the trend line. Draw it across. I'm set, ready. Go. Taking a good look at it. Just a rough draft. Maybe I can take it down to that support right there. Right under 37. Bing bang. Amazon on the watch list. Had a big knife. I'm ready for a retracement back up. I called 33.40 on this baby. Look what happened. Boy, oh boy, oh boy. Bring in the sunshine. Let's make a wish. Here we are again, back down to the triple bottom. Descending candle. We could have us another bounce back up on this baby. Had a nice spike yesterday. Called it out. Took profit. Bam. We're back down here again. FLGC. Opportunities are awaiting today. Don't let this yesterday bring you down. OCGN, here we go. Uphill all the way. Facebook, big spike on this thing. Now she's coming back. See, there you are, back there in the trend line, back there at the support level. I've been waiting for this. Here we are. Bam, knife catch. Look at that. Knife catch. Bam, double bottom. Getting ready to buy. Facebook. We got Ford. Ford can come back to this low support right at 14, a little above it, 14.05. Check it out. TSM. Called this down at the bottom at 112. We had a nice little bounce back up. I can keep going on. Boeing. Boeing can come back down to the channel. Find support here at 226.15. We've got mRNA. What a spike on this baby. I'm 100% bullish on this. I'll take it to the 20-day. Look at there. We're forming another little pullback candle. I think we can get back down to the 332s and call it even. but she can always hit that triple top and break out from that triangle because there's momentum behind this trade. This is my watch list that I keep running. Snaps on here. I got fairly decent companies on here with a few sectors that are speculative. I've got even Neural on here. I've got some pot sector on here. Neural's coming back. This is a bull flag, pretty strong bull flag. We could get retracements back up in here. Good $3 spread. So yeah, Neural, it's on the watch list. We got NCTY. Oh man, here you go again. Another sneaky snake trade we did the other day. Beautiful. That's when the 9 and crosses the 21. This is the 9 EMA, crosses the 21. Then they both cross the 50, and you're off to the races. Then you got a confirmation here at the Golden Cross, which tells you to hold the trade. And look what happened. If you held that trade, bam, you could have really took some nice profit on this, double top, and got out of it. Now we're showing another flag. So this baby's still strong. I'm still looking at it, but look at there. We got a nice little flag here. Scenario kind of looking out. She pulled out of that flag. So maybe found support right here on the trend line. We got another flag right here. So we got a couple of good scenarios going on here. It's kind of a bull flag, bear flag, but I think if it found support maybe down here and dropped to the 200, bounce back up, bam. That's NCTY. So the watch list is very well needed. These last 5 weeks I gave you different lessons to put it all together, kind of sum up just how I trade, a strategy that works for me, and maybe you can get a couple things on it. It's just a common sense, simple moving average strategy that runs off the extended trend line method. And I also, how I chart off patterns. I'm a technical trader. So let's really have a good time today. It's important for that watch list to keep it running and keep it clean.